Yo, what's up, guys? Oh, God. Oh, okay. So, I don't know, but I just got up. What time is it? Let me check. What time is it? If my thing, I don't know what time it is. But it's probably like, what, 9, 10, something. No clue. But, I'm gonna go ahead and get some pants on, and, see you guys outside. Oh, God. Jeez. But yeah, I'll see you guys outside. Okay, it still won't show the time, apparently. But it's really cold out here, and, crap. It rained. Everywhere. Everything is all soaky, wetty, and stuff. Oh, yeah. I don't think I made a video about it, but I got a window installed. Got like a nail holding it. Wait, I already explained this, didn't I? Yeah, I'm pretty sure I already explained it. But look, yeah, it's completely dry, but on the outside it's like all wet and stuff. See? Look at that, it's completely dry. Oh, God. Why did that sound like a drone noise? Okay, so, well, found something new. I can apparently make a drone noise. It sounds exactly like a drone for some reason. Yeah, I've flown a drone before. It's like $100 something, like $19. $119. It was like metallic red. You don't. Oh my God, that scared the crap out of me. Stop it, squirrels! Yeah, but it sounds exactly like a drone. Yeah, it sounds like a drone. I don't know why. But, yeah, everything's all wet. I gotta dry that off. This is wet. Everything is all wet, and I don't like it. But, yeah, update. I built this. I tried to make this table look as much garbagey as possible. I tried to make it look all garbage by, like, cutting edges and stuff on that. And then I, like, broke planks and stuff in half. And that was part of when I destroyed the big table you don't know about. Because, I never got that on camera. But yeah, my friend came over here, we destroyed a bunch of stuff, it was awesome. But, I took that and just made it look like garbage. And I got a bunch of stuff and broke it and made it all look garbage. Because in school, I was treated like absolute garbage. Literally. All the time, I would get stolen from, but that's not important. But I don't know. But yeah, look, the desk, it's all wet and stuff, and at least that's dry. But then, boop, wet. Eek. Get back right there. But yeah, all my like little trucks and cars and stuff are wet, and then, quote unquote, teacher is all wet. This table's all wet. Oh, it looks dry. Like this is clearly wet. But this, it looks all dry, right? You touch it, it's wet. And there's a towel on here, it's all soaked and stuff. I don't like it. Oh, God. Don't know what I'm gonna do for this video. At all. Well, let me know down in the comments. Should I shatter this window? Should I destroy a table? Or should I just destroy that thing right there? Let me know down in the comments below. Or, the final choice. Should I just take it all and just smash it? Just have my friend over here. Or get my other friend. I have multiple friends. I don't know which one. But they all can't be over here at once. That's a fact. Can you stop with the stupid acorns? Yeah. Oh boy, it works. Look at me, I'm doing things. Oh boy. But yeah, should I just take all this, destroy it? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. That looks so cool on camera, but when I look behind me, it just looks normal. Ugh. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you want me to get one of my friends over here and we just act like we're in school and I just have like a hidden camera, like put up there. Hold on. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If it ain't wet. Okay, like right there. Oh wow, super secret camera footage of something. I have a stand here, but it's for a light. Ugh, I gotta build something else. But yeah, like I have like the camera just sitting right there, and it's like catching everything going on. Oh god. I don't know how I'm gonna get this to work. Because my camera's not that wide. Unless I turn it around and it catches everything. But okay, that's something else. But yeah, I don't know what I'm actually gonna do with all this stuff. Considering that it's all mostly garbage anyways. Yeah, that looks so cool. It looks like a brand new deck and everything. Oh, look, it's garbage. Look at it. Could you not drip water on my phone? But yeah, like it looks so cool. It looks all brand new and stuff. Now look behind me. It's a but when I look in the camera, it's a yeah. But I don't know what the I don't know. Okay. Oh boy, it's good old Betsy. Betsy the crowbar. You cannot. Thank you. Well, look, it's good old Betsy the crowbar, except it's all wet and stuff. That's not good. But yeah, I also built this shelf. Nice shelf. Awesome. It's great. This is some good glass. This is some good glass. This shatters. Wow, this is really nice glass. Look at this. Such good glass. Yeah, it's amazing glass. A grade A, perfect glass. And a sign. Wow, so beautiful. You're supposed to fall off, but yeah, this piece just clips on. Yeah, see, it just clips. Don't fall off. You undo that. Undo it. It's very weird how it just clips in. I don't know. Like I said, no clue what I'm going to do for this video. I only have about 20 minutes of recording time because I forgot to delete the last videos that I did. But yeah, this stool works very well. I sit on it and the whole thing breaks. Yeah, super good. Yeah, totally didn't just snap it. Why does everything break when I'm on camera? No! There, it's fixed. Yeah, totally was never broken. It's supposed to do that. Supposed to totally supposed to do that. These tables, they can hold me. Pretty good, too. Look at this, I'm sitting on it. This table, I don't think it's the best, but it's okay. It could probably hold my friend. He's probably like 100, 110, 14, I don't know. I'm 114. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this, I got the destructions on, so English. I got the destruction sign and all the cones and cool stuff. Yeah, I already showed you all this garbage. Oh, God. Yay, we hit the 10-minute mark. You know, it's finally going to be on somebody's recommended. Woo-woo for me. Yeah, someone's probably going to leave a dislike because I didn't do anything. Like I said, if it's your suggestion, what I should do, like, you could stop with the rain. Yeah, it's your suggestion what you want me to do. But, I can't, if you guys want me to, do the school friend smashy thing, yeah, that's gonna be a little while because I have to wait till he's, like, actually there. It's also cold as balls outside, so I don't know if he can come out. Oh my God. But look at this. It's so nice. Actually, it's not. It's all wet and mushy. Nobody likes that. Nobody does. Now I'm gonna just back up. Yeah. This big old wolf spider nest. I ain't walking through that. No, sir. Okay. See you guys in just a second. Oh, God. My ears are cold as balls. Makeshift hood. Turtle. Jesus Christ. Ears are so cold. Excuse me. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay, go away. Go away, Slender Man. Go away. Okay? No, don't you do your buzzy, staticky thing. No. Your game was 2 years ago. Maybe 3, maybe 4, I don't know. But it's a long time ago. No more of Slender Man. Okay? They stopped making movies about you. Okay, go away. Yes, okay, yeah, shoo. Okay, thank you. Slender Man sitting there, I'm like, woo, I'm gonna get you. Jesus. But I got a good idea. I got a real good idea. I'm gonna set this here. I'm gonna get this nail I just found. It's like bent. I'm gonna hammer it in. You know, no, I'm gonna hammer it in right here. Professional, guys. I'm a professional. I'm hammering with a freaking crowbar. Hold on a second. Okay, I was gonna do it, but now it's already. Oh no. Oh God. Look, I had it right here. But rain, if you could stop. Okay. Now I gotta set it somewhere dry. Just set it here. It's good. All good. All good in the hood. Totally nothing bad gonna happen. Oh God. Ah! I just hit my freaking. I hit my freaking finger. Ouch. It hurts. I did it. Look. Yay. Probably the worst thing ever. Yay. Iron the place and the wait. I got an idea. Maybe it's not the worst thing ever. Maybe it's a phone holder. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's actually not bad. Just unhook that. Flip this around. Boop. Yay. Look at that. Perfect. Sweet. I can see everything in the background. That looks cool. Oh, there's Slender dude right there. Okay, go away, Slender. But yeah, it's not bad. Actually, not that bad. Boo! Did I get you? Did I scare you? Gotcha. Gotcha. Scared you. Gotcha. But in all realness, let's go. That's probably the best thing that I made all day. Considering that I made that piece of junk and that one. Oh no. I mean, that's totally not a piece of junk. It's totally meant to snap in half like that. Oh, I mean, not snap. I mean, come apart in half. Grade A English. Got me some grade A English, bro. Got me that grade A English. 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 English, 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 English. It's English. Ah, God! You stupid sign! Ow! Oh, that hurt! Ow! You stupid piece of garbage! Oh, God. Could you shut up, you stupid bus? Ah, that hurts. Shut up! Well, guess what? It wasn't the bus. It was a garbage truck. Seriously, though. That hurt. Stupid sign. I should probably lift it up, like, higher. Oh, God. I got you know, this ain't no tripod. This is a dual pod. I just see a goose. I thought I just see a goose. I see ghost. But yeah, it's a dual pod. It just doesn't flex and move and stuff. It's not a tripod. It's a dual pod. It's a homemade dual pod. Okay. I'm gonna go back inside. I'm gonna lay down. Wait, what's the thing that I did earlier? Oh, let me check the footage. Okay, it was a drone noise thing that I did. Oh God, I get lightheaded.